Students, today we see the nature of the roots of the quadratic equations. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation where a, b and c are the constant and x is the variable, where a is not equal to 0, then by formula method we see that there are two roots which are alpha is equal to minus b plus into root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is minus b minus into root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are two roots. Now the nature of the roots are depend on the part in the square root, that means b square minus 4ac. This part is called the discriminant. The part in radicand sign that means b square minus 4ac, this is called the discriminant. The nature of the quadratic equation, the nature of the root of the quadratic equation is depend on this part, which is called the discriminant. That is also shown as this sign. This is called the discriminant, delta, capital delta. This is capital letter delta. That means delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant, and the nature is depend on this part. Now we see the nature of the part. Now if first part, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then into root b square minus 4ac is a real number, and hence the roots are real and unequal. That means the roots are alpha is equal to minus b plus into root b square minus 4ac, because of this is a positive number, upon 2a, and beta is minus b minus into root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we get two roots that are unequal roots and that are real roots. Second part, that is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then into part root b square minus 4ac is 0, that is real number, is 0, that means it is a real number, and the alpha become minus b, this part becomes 0 upon 2a, minus b plus 0 upon 2a, that is minus b upon 2a, and beta is also minus b minus 0, that means minus b upon 2a. These both roots are equal. That means if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And third one, that is, first we did the b square minus 4ac is positive, then b square minus 4ac is 0. Then the third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative. That means in the part between into root b square minus 4ac, that means the root of negative number which is not possible, and hence this is not a real number. Is not a real number. This is not a real number, hence the roots are not a real number. Roots are not a real number. The nature of the roots: if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not a real number. Now we should see this in tree diagram. Now we see the nature of the roots by this tree. Here delta is given. We get two franchises. First is delta is greater than or equal to 0, the roots are real, and delta is less than 0, the roots are not real. In this, delta is greater than or equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, the roots are equal. That means roots are real and equal. And if delta is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. There is another one part. If the delta is greater than 0 and the delta is perfect square, that means 1, 4, 9, 16. That's numbers are called perfect square. If delta is perfect square, the roots are rational. That means roots are real, unequal and rational. And if delta is not a perfect square, then the roots are real, unequal and irrational. These are called the natures of the roots. Now we see some examples on it. First example, find the value of discriminant. The example is given, quadratic equation is given, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now first comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x square, b is equal to 7, coefficient of x, and c is equal to minus 1. Now delta, discriminant, the formula is b square minus 4ac is equal to, substitute the values, 7 bracket square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1, which gets 7 in the square of 7 is 49, minus minus get plus, 4 into 1 4, and the value of discriminant is 53. Delta is equal to 53. We have to only find the value of discriminant. Now second example, root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Now same method, comparing the equation. The equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore delta, the formula is b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. B is 4 bracket square minus 4 into a root 2 into b c 2 root 2. That means square of 4 is 16 minus 4 into 2, that is 8 into root 2 that is 2, which gets 16 minus 16, hence the value of delta is 0. Next we see the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Now next type of the example. Determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. The equation is given m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Here first we have to compare the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9, and hence delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. 2 bracket square minus 4 into 1 into 9, which get 4 minus 36 is equal to minus 32. The delta is negative number, hence delta is less than 0. If delta is less than 0, then the roots are not real. The roots are not real. We see another even example at here. X square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 16, and hence the value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 8 bracket square minus 4, put the value of 1, a 1 and c is 16, hence the square of minus 8 is equal to 64 minus 4 into 16, which is also 64. That means is equal to 0. As delta is equal to 0, that means the discriminant is 0. The nature of the roots are real and equal. Hence, the roots are real and equal. we can solve the another examples of the nature of the roots of the quadratic equations given in the book. Solve the practice set in our book. Now another one example. 2x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 4. That means delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore, minus 3 bracket square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. Hence, the square of 3 minus 3 is 9. Minus minus get plus. 2 into 4, 8 into 4, that is 32. Hence, delta is equal to 41, which is greater than 0. Hence, delta is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real, unequal, and 41 is not a perfect square. That means the roots are irrational. 41 is not a perfect square. Perfect square, that means 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are the perfect squares. 41 is not a perfect square, hence the roots are real, unequal and irrational. Now, when another problem on this, we see that problem. The example is the roots of the quadratic equation 3y square plus ky is plus 12 is equal to 0 are real and equal. Find the value of k. For this, the equation is given 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to k and c is equal to 12. Now we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac delta is equal to, substitute the value, b is equal to k bracket square minus 4 into 3 into 12. Hence, which get k square minus 144. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 144. This is equation number 1. But the roots are given real and equal, but the roots are real and equal, hence b square minus 4ac delta is equal to 0. Substitute this value at here, we get k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Take 144 to the another side from 1. Hence k square is equal to 144. Taking the square root of both sides, we get k is equal to plus or minus the root of 144 is 12. Taking square root of both sides. Hence, the value of k is equal to plus 12 or k is equal to minus 12 is our final answer. Now we see the relation between the coefficient and the roots of the quadratic equation.